Chief People Officer at DBL Law. Today, we're at Spark House at the Made It Studio, powered by DBL Law. We're going to be talking with our summer associates today to learn more about them and hear about their experience this summer. Connor, hi. Happy to have you here today. We're excited to talk with you and learn more about your experience as a summer associate at DBL Law.
Yeah, thank you. I'm excited to be here.
So Connor, tell us a little bit about yourself. What drew you to the law? Where are you currently in law school? And how did you choose DBL for the summer?
So I'm a rising 2L. I attend University of Cincinnati College of Law. But what mainly got me into the law was helping people and dealing with complex problems and solutions. And law is the perfect situation to have that intersection of both. And I was specifically interested in DBL Law because they have such a impact in the local community, not just serving clients, but outside of that in nonprofit boards and other organizations. So that really got me invested in DBL Law.
Before you started at DBL Law, what did you expect the experience to be like as a summer associate? And have you been surprised?
Yeah, when I started as a summer associate, I was assuming that I'd have one primary person to work under who'd give me assignments and I'd be working on just their own assignments in their own little area. But what surprised me the most is that how full service and how open the experience as summer associate was. I had so many different areas and attorneys, associates and partners and assignments that I've gotten that have given me just such a wide range of opportunities that I couldn't find elsewhere.
So what is a typical day like for you as a summer associate at DBL Law? Is every day the same? Are they very different?
Yeah, so every day is usually a little different. Usually start the day by checking my emails and then going through assignments and prioritizing which has the most urgent deadlines, what might be happening, maybe a lunch, maybe a deposition, doing some legal research, doing some legal writing, and working with other associates and partners to kind of figure out what they like best.
Share a project, case, or experience that really made you feel part of the DBL Law team.
Yeah, one of my favorite experiences have been dealing with this one case for the whole summer. So I've been involved in various projects involving research, writing, depositions, trial motions, and just recently they just put in a motion for summary judgment, and kind of following that process and making little contributions along the way has been a really valuable experience.
What is one piece of advice that you received from an attorney that you know will stick with you throughout your legal career?
I think one piece of advice I'm going to carry out through my entire legal career is that your reputation precedes you. And that means not only being reputable and being reliable, it's also being compassionate. Because people can see when you're authentic and sincere and want to help them, as well as working hard to solve their problems. And they really appreciate that.
What has been a standout experience for you as a summer associate at DBL Law? It can be in the office or at an event.
One of my favorite events we've done this summer as part of the summer associate program was going to the Reds game. We didn't win that, unfortunately, but it was fun to see everybody outside the office and see how close-knit that people were outside of their own little legal areas.
If a law student asked you why they should choose DBL Law for their summer associate experience, what would you tell them?
I'd tell them that you get the most meaningful opportunities to practice and improve your skills as a lawyer that you'll ever get. The tasks and responsibilities I've been given have helped me grow even over the past 5 weeks into just a better lawyer and a better professional that you really can't get the opportunity elsewhere.
So first day you walk into DBL Law, what was your first impression?
My first impression when I walked into DBL Law was you shouldn't be so scared. There are people, there are associates and partners that are ready to help you.
How would you describe the culture at DBL Law?
I describe the culture at DBL Law as open. You're able to ask questions to anyone, and everyone is able to help you where you need.
What about this experience has been fun and memorable?
I think what's been most fun and memorable has been the ability to contribute in so many different areas that you're unfamiliar with and learn so much about the law.
What attributes or characteristics are necessary to thrive as a summer associate at DBL Law?
I'd say the most important attribute to succeed at DBL Law is persistence. There's so many opportunities to go above and beyond and help clients. And going forward to do that is really valuable to people.
What is some feedback that you can give on the summer associate program at DBL Law? What could we improve upon or change moving forward?
Going forward, I really have enjoyed the openness of the program to find out what you're interested in and be able to interact with all these different associates and partners. I'm hopefully in the future, there's gonna be more interactions with clients as well as trial experiences. But overall, it's been an incredible experience.
Connor, thank you so much for talking with me today. It's truly been a pleasure to learn more about you and your experience as a summer associate at DBL Law.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Join us as a summer associate. Check out our website at dbllaw.com/careers.